Hey guys, so in this tutorial I will show you how to animate a text counter or a number counter using Adobe After Effects. So the first step will be to create a new layer. In this case will be a text layer. So we'll go to layer and we select text. Okay, so after that you can change here in the text properties the font and the size. In my case I will use Poppins Extra Bold in 300 pixels. Okay, so in this case I just want the video to last 6 seconds. The same with the text, so we drag it here and I will change this to 0. After that we can use the align tool just to align it to the center of the composition. Okay, so after we have our text we can go to the effects and presets tab, and we can go to expression controls and we expand this and we drag the one that says slider control to our text. So after we slide it we can just expand this menu to see all the options. We're going to use the effects one, the text. So in this case we expand this slider and we hit on the stopwatch. Okay, so 1 second, let me change the seconds of the whole composition. Okay, so we have 6 seconds, and after that we can connect what it says source text to the slider, and we can just leave it here on 0, but at the end we can put like 100. So if you see, it's animated, but as you can see that we have issues with all these numbers. So it's really simple, guys, to do this next step, but you need to follow this in order to work. So as you can see on the search text we have this expression. Okay, so we can change this. We need to put like dot value dot to fixed, and in here we are going to put the amount of decimals we want to have in this text. So in my case will be 2. If you hit enter, you will see that it will only increase 2 different decimals, but if you want 1, for example, you can change it, or even if you want to have 0, you can change that to 0. It will only be numbers without decimals. So in my case will be 2, and as you can see we have this animation already, but we can improve this by simply adding this. But for example, here it will be the text before the numbers, so we can put like $sign, we put plus here, and it will work like this. And as you can see, we'll have like the $sign there, always present. And or maybe you can change it to subscribers, just for example. Okay, 1 second, just hit enter and you have subscribers. So it will depend, we can add like a space here, so as you can see, and if we change the scale of it, but in my case it will be just a $sign. I don't have issues with that. And also we can simply click on animate here to change the color throughout the composition or the time. In my case I will click here on animate, and we can change the color to fill color, and we select RGB. So we need to click on the stopwatch to create a new keyframe, and as you can see here I will put like a white, but at the end I will put a new one. It will be like some sort of green for the money. So let's see. As you can see, if we just hit play, you will see that the animation is done. So thank you guys, this is the tutorial. I hope you like it, and bye.